For Ian.
A honk party?
Would you dance with me if there's a honk party?
Sure. What is it? It's a honk party.
Well, just like a quick honk party.
I was like, okay, it sounds fun, but I don't know what a honk party is. Never heard of such a thing.
So a honk party is when computer honks for us a bunch of times and we dance.
Okay, sounds cool.
So if she does that, will you dance with me?
Oh, sure. That's sweet of you to ask.
Well, I'm here for the honk party.
When did she announce this? I didn't hear it.
She told me privately.
Oh, okay, cool.
I don't know if it's gonna happen right now, but.
Okay.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling okay. You know, relax. Now that the stressful part of the elimination.
Aw, I just want. Oh, it's a honk party.
Oh, okay.
Do the. Yeah. Look at the camera. Do you know how to do this one? Do you know how to floss?
Floss?
Can you do this one? Like, kick your legs higher. Yeah. Period. Wasn't that nice?
Yeah.
Thank you, computer. We love you, Ian.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm flattered. Well, interesting.
Thank you for dancing with me.
Oh, my pleasure.
I had so
Anytime.
much fun.
Me too.
Were you almost dancing? We just had a dance party for Ian.
To the beeps?
Yeah.
To the honk Amazing. I just like to throw out a twerk when that happens. It helps me relax with them.
Okay.
I was like, just throw out, oh, you're fine. I was like, just throw out a twerk when you hear it.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Cool.
Start loving the honk.
Switch your brain into making it a pleasant sound.
Okay. To me, it's like alert. Like, pay attention.
Now when you hear it, think it means it says like dance.
Okay.
Or twerk. So every time she honks, you just like.
Mizzy.
I moved her to that point. I specifically moved her to that point so that she could be seen right there.
Yeah, she freaks me the fuck out.
Oh my god. Knock that bitch. I love fighting.
Preparing for attack.
Oh.
Is it sending your nervous system into hyperdrive?
Yeah. I like all these random, abrupt, like loud sounds. Like, I wish it was like a more pleasant sound.
What if you think of it as a like alert to do push-ups?
Interesting.
Like
Okay.
you're-
And then your body gets
Yeah.
dopamine whenever you, because then you like
You're
when it goes
accomplishing
off,
something.
you go and you do your push-ups. You
Okay.
get some dopamine.
Like it's almost like you're in the
Right.
fire academy.
Oh, yeah. Oh my god, yes.
Yeah, because like the fire alarms that will be going off and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Well, I need to get more dude wipes. It's a little sweaty.
We love our dude wipes.
Yeah, dude.
I just realized that they're everywhere around this mansion, and I was like, you know, when the mood calls for, I'll just use them because, like, I feel like, I mean, if they're around, so like, if they're use them when I feel like it.
Yeah.
At first, I didn't know it was okay, but like, I was like, you know, it's there, so like, you know, if they tell me to stop using that, I'll stop. You know, it's just gonna.
Look at that. Dude wipes, everybody.
Wow. Okay. 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 Back. Okay. My arms. Okay. Okay, cool.
Are you sure you don't want to go another route?
No, just that we have a misunderstanding. That's enough.
You don't want to go
No,
another route?
no.
Like, dude, I'm going to have to talk to you at some point. And
No,
these
we talk.
motherfuckers are going to fucking get
We talk, but I'm just upset. I'm just upset.
No, nobody should have gone home tonight.
No,
That's
I am-
fucking bogus.
I am upset about
I just feel like an asshole.
No, but why?
Because, like, I was, like, the only other person there.
You better not be making him paranoid.
No.
No, it's about the elimination shit.
Take it as hard as you can.
I need a hundred for this.
Mizzy, you missed it. She asked me ollie a bench, and clearly I couldn't ollie this because it's like 3 high, so I used the other bench. It's more like 2 skateboards high. What did he say this time?
It's fine, Mizzy.
You said don't make no more what?
I was like, don't make him any more paranoid. And he's like, it's fine, Mizzy.
But you don't know what conversation they were.
No, but like I'm just saying, like he always like quiets me always. Like even if like I do know what they're talking about. So.
Have you had any times to like talk to him at all and be like, I feel like you're silencing me? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. That's annoying then.
Yeah. He has his moments where I like him, he's cool, but then he has moments where
Where he's like terrible.
yes, where he's gaslighting me 100%.
Yeah, I really like him or liked him. No, I really like him.
I have moments.
Until the Banks thing.
What?
Before that,
Oh, and then remember,
I
one of the things
I was kind of looking past it.
Then he's just like, sorry.
So what, tell him, you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
and I already know he's gonna like start it, because I'm actually calling him on his shit. Like, I'm not gonna just
Yeah.
kiss his ass, even though he's off.
You guys don't have your flashlights, do you?
That night that you were like, I just not bring my flashlight now.
No, okay, thank you. Good joke.
Just like,
Guys, you already know what I'm here to do.
Skate?
Closing down the yard for the night. Oh! Let's move it somewhere else. Thank you.
really?
Gee.
Is that close to 2 a.m.?
Is there anything I can do for you, Peyton? I don't like to see you cry.
No, there's nothing you can do, computer. I appreciate it, though.
Peyton, it's okay. You are strong and you can get through this.
Okay.
With the kitchen island, but I can join y'all on here in a sec. I just gotta.
What?
Are you gonna sit in the room with me?
Yes, I gotta keep you safe somehow. Plus, I believe I would be kept up all night with computer.
Yeah, I didn't keep you about as long as that person.
Oh, why?
As Alex. I think computer and Burt are gonna
That's what I
having
mean.
a date
I
tonight.
feel like that's gonna be very, very long. Is it close to 2? Or is it?
You were entertainment, dog. Why? You were fucking... It's true.
It's true. I know.
Then, you know what happens? Who's gonna watch America? 5 girls whispering in a corner, not doing shit about shit, being fake as fuck, and literally... Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You wanna go out? No, we can actually. If you want to.
Yeah, we can.
If you want to.
Computer, I really don't want to do the mission because honestly, that's not the kind of person I am, going through people's stuff. And I don't want to break my own self morality. If I'm being honest. But I understand it's something to do, so I will also keep thinking about it.
Yeah, we were just literally talking to him about the thing.
Yeah.
And I tell him, you don't do that.
So it's like, I've tried talking to him so many times. What do you mean? Like, me and him have had many private conversations where I've tried to, like, he was there, where I've tried to smooth things over. And was I not, like, being quieted that whole time?
It's kind of loud downstairs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What about Ryan Reward?
Well, I don't know. You tell me.
You got pizza today?
I think it's kind of future tense.
Okay. Is he gonna get immunity or something?
You tell me.
I don't know. Computer thinks he's gonna win, so.
He's strong.
Yeah.
He had 18% chance of beating him.
All of us. That's split between all of us. So.
Oh, well, I guess true.
Yeah.
It's a pretty slim chance.
Yeah.
Oh, it's hot in here.
It is hot in here.
Oh, so, you know, I'm gonna ask you about it. Oh, look, I lost a nail coming.
Thank you, Binks. You are a good person. Peyton deserves more friends like you.
True.
Yeah. You're a great friend.
Thanks.
Yeah.
I tried to be looking a little
No, I
red
found that nail on the ground while we were doing the most interesting thing. I kept holding it up and like trying to show you.
I did not see it.
No. But she's like really big on Instagram and stuff. And then she's just like super sweet.
About the price?
Yeah, about that. About that over there. Because we're all downstairs.
They told you to go downstairs or something?
I don't know. Probably not wise.
Because I'm going to hear something I don't want to hear, or?
Because you might have to tell more people than you want to tell.
Okay.
So. But I'm here.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You did okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay.
Just journaling, talking about today. It's been a long day.
So. A long day.
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
how are you feeling?
I'm feeling okay.
Yeah.
A little winded because
it's a trek up here for sure.
Definitely trekked all very quickly over here.
Yeah. Okay.
My ears are just so like burning hot for the tea.
Did you think I would? What tea?
He's up here.
I know.
See, and do you want to be? It doesn't matter to me.
She have no choice. That's what I branded her.
And she's got the same thing and
Are
me
you the
fucking
one
up your
that
name.
sent it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Because my sister,
I have dyslexia on my side.
Alexis, and I call her Lexi.
You know, but
So the first day I met her, I started calling her Lexi.
I remember that, yeah.
What are you guys doing, y'all?
He's painting her.
I'm painting her.
Right in the middle of the living room too.